Yeah, got it. Oh, that's a really nice one. Get out of there. Ooh. Had to power him out of that timber. Oh, what a beautiful green fish. G'day everybody and welcome to another episode of the Full Scale Fishing Adventures. We are out chasing Murray Cod this afternoon. I've done a paddle down in the kayak and I've tried to time it right so I've got enough fishing to get back to where I started by dark. I'm hoping that I've timed it right. But anyway, if I have to burn through a bit of water to get back, that's fine. I'd rather have a little bit more than not enough. So yep, topwater fishing this afternoon. We're gonna see if we can't catch a few cod. That's it, one of my favorite things to do. Let's get into it. Gonna throw the TT black adder. It's a 6'6". This is a 8 to 15 kilo one, 273 Komodo with 30 pound platypus bionic braid and a 60 pound platypus hard armor tough leader. Gonna chuck my favorite small water topwater, and that is a ballista hunchback. Great paddle, easy to cast, and just catches lots and lots of fish. So that's the lizard pattern. My favorite setup for fishing these sort of smaller waters, 6'6" rod, 30 pound braid, and a topwater lure. Got some beautiful snags to fish. I'm gonna start right over there because that looks really good. And the plan is I'm just gonna power and fish all the good stuff, not stuff around, and see if I can time it right to have some really good fishing and get back to camp by dark. And the reason I decided to go upstream, not downstream, is because I get much better control with the topwater fishing upstream. So I'd rather have to, you know, walk and push a little bit harder through some rapids to get a really good go at each snag. So that's my reasoning for fishing upstream. So it's 6 o'clock, should be absolute prime time for the cods. There's a little bit of cloud, which is good because I reckon there's going to be a bank or two that might still have a bit of sun on it. But that stormy sort of cloud has just made it the perfect light. Come on, falls out of the tree, you got to eat that. You gotta keep telling myself not to linger, because I reckon it's always first or second cast, and I've got a lot of water to cover, so I might as well just keep putting it in all the good zones. Get that one that's ready to go. Holy dooly! Scared the crap out of me. Oh. Just on the rock wall too. Man, he boofed it hard. I reckon he boofed it so hard he shot the lure out of the water. Crazy. And then they don't come back. So weird. You would think you'd be looking at it. Oh, I got him. No, I missed him. Oh, no. Two along the rock wall now. Oh, he just boiled under it. No, that was a good fish. Oh, damn. Just annihilated it. Crazy. Have I still got hooks? Yeah, the hooks are still on there. I reckon he did feel the hook, so maybe he's not going to come back. Good bite. Wow. That's really the benefit of fishing upstream, is that you get so many shots at a fish that you miss. Whereas when you, well, I've found that drifting downstream with a kayak, you miss a fish like that and you really got to paddle to get back into control, and this makes the whole process really hard. All right, that is first set of rapids done. Rope is so handy. Let's roll. Oof, oof, again. Little chuffer. He tried so hard to get it down his mouth, but he couldn't. A few sitting against the rocks in the afternoon, which is interesting. Oh, can't believe I've missed every single fish. Are they just hitting it aggressively more so than trying to eat it? Don't know. Cool little pocket. Got a log in there and everything. Oh, got him. Yeah. Oh, it came off. No. Ah. Ah. That hurts. The best bit there too, just demolished it. Oh yeah, got it. Oh, that's a really nice one. Get out of there. Ooh. Had to power him out of that timber. Oh, what a beautiful green fish. Yes. Finally got one to stick. I'm going to put my glove on so that I don't totally destroy my hand. Sick. Oh, check him out. Beautiful topwater green fish. So cool. We're getting to that absolutely premium time of the day. Beautiful light. Beautiful Murray Cod. That was sick. Love topwater fishing. You can have the finest trebles and they can be so sticky sharp, but they still miss. And then every now and again you get one that connects. And it's weird, like sometimes you'll come out and you'll stick every bite. Oh, that's a big one. Oh, he's gone. Oh, how did that not stick? What? Oh, are you kidding me? That's not fair. It's a really good fish. Why? Why did that have to happen? Not fair. That is not fair. Yeah, sometimes no matter how hard you try, just they don't stick. I don't know why. It's just surface fishing. Does your head in sometimes, it really does. Oh, you're kidding me! Did not even touch the hooks, that one. What is going on? Just aggressive takes, like not necessarily eating it, coming up and hitting it with their tail and stuff. I don't know, big splashes. Oh, I got him that time. Well, what do you say about that? They're so sharp, I don't get it. Unreal. Got him! Got him! Yeah! That's a really nice fish too. Woo-hoo-hoo. Yeah, yeah. Super nice fish. Oh, he's fighting really well. I haven't even got a look at him yet. Wow, he's pulling drag. Whew. Beautiful bite right off the rock one. Oh man, I haven't even got a look at him yet. Holy cow. Oh, he's going down again. Oh, it's got to be a nice one. Oh, there he goes again. It's got to be a really nice one. Hey. Oh man, that is epic. Oh, yeah. He fought so unbelievably well. That is so cool. You're gonna be nice. Be nice. Got him. Well, camp is right there, and right on the last bit of light, that fish has just absolutely smashed the hunchback. So stoked with that. What a way to finish. Super stoked. All right, buddy. And he's gone. Well, what an absolutely epic way to finish right at camp. Stoked to get one last bite off the top and get it to stick. Hopefully enjoyed the episode. I'll catch you all next time.